Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Delta Force mobile sound problem. So if you're also having sound problems on your Delta Force and it's annoying obviously and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you because once again I had the exact same problem myself. I firstly just closed Delta Force and then I went into my settings app. I just scrolled down in here and I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, then I scrolled down here once again and I clicked on storage as you can see. And now in here I just swiped up like this until I can see the search bar up top. I clicked on search, search for Delta Force here as you can see and click on it. Then I just clicked on upload app and once again I clicked on upload app in here. Just going to wait a couple of seconds here. It might take you a while, but now it's going to say reinstall app, so click on it. This shouldn't, by the way, reset any of your progress or anything like that. If you're scared about that, it didn't do so for me, just so you know. Just simply wait for it to completely load. Then when it's done, go back into the app and try once again. If it's for some reason it's still not working for you, it might be that there's something wrong with your mobile itself. If you have like, I don't know, if it's really old as an example, or maybe you dropped it recently, it might be that your sound is completely off, just so you know. But yeah, try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.